Our pale moon, a celestial companion. A silent guardian that has watched over Earth for billions of years. For millennia, it has inspired poets, guided sailors, and fueled our dreams of what lies beyond. Its gentle glow has been a constant in our night sky, a beacon of hope and wonder. But what if we weren't limited to just one moon? What if our night sky could be even more spectacular, with multiple moons casting their light upon us? Imagine a second moon, built by human hands, a shining testament to our ingenuity. A marvel of engineering and a symbol of human achievement. This is not the stuff of science fiction, but a real possibility within our technological grasp. With advancements in space technology, we are closer than ever to making this dream a reality. Could we actually build another moon? And should we dare? These are the questions that scientists and engineers are grappling with today. The concept is simple enough: to create a massive, artificial satellite that orbits Earth, much like our natural moon. But the execution is far from simple. The engineering challenges are immense. We would need to develop new technologies, overcome unprecedented obstacles, and push the boundaries of what is possible. We'll need to consider the size, the materials, the orbital mechanics, and the potential impact on Earth's environment. Every detail must be meticulously planned and executed. This isn't just about building a big, shiny object in space. It's about creating something that will stand the test of time, something that will inspire future generations. It's about fundamentally altering our relationship with the cosmos. A second moon could change the way we see our place in the universe, opening up new possibilities for exploration and discovery. Why even contemplate such a monumental task? What could drive humanity to build an artificial moon? The answer lies in the transformative potential it holds. Picture a colossal space station, a hub for groundbreaking scientific research and unprecedented space exploration. Envision a solar power station in space, harnessing the sun's energy and beaming clean, renewable power back to Earth. An artificial moon could revolutionize space travel, acting as a launchpad for missions to Mars and beyond, slashing costs and simplifying deep space exploration. It could also be a gateway to asteroid mining, unlocking vast, untapped resources for humanity's use. The possibilities are as limitless as the cosmos itself. Yet the most compelling reason to build an artificial moon is to ensure the survival and advancement of humanity. By expanding our presence beyond Earth, we safeguard our species against potential global catastrophes and open up new frontiers for human achievement. The artificial moon represents not just a technological marvel, but a beacon of hope for future generations. Building an artificial moon is no small feat. The sheer scale of such a project would dwarf anything humanity has ever attempted. We'd need to gather an astronomical amount of raw materials, likely sourced from asteroids or the moon itself. Transporting these materials to the construction site would require a revolution in space transportation technology. Gravity also presents a significant challenge. For an artificial moon to be stable, it would need sufficient mass to maintain its own gravity. This gravitational pull is crucial to prevent it from breaking apart or drifting out of orbit. Achieving this level of mass and stability would be a monumental engineering challenge, pushing the boundaries of our current capabilities. What could our artificial moon look like? Let's delve into the various design possibilities. Picture a perfect sphere, a radiant beacon in the night sky, guiding us through the darkness. Or perhaps a more functional design, a sprawling network of platforms and modules, each serving a distinct purpose. The design possibilities are truly limitless, constrained only by our creativity and technological capabilities. We could even customize its appearance to create a celestial display that would rival the northern lights, captivating onlookers below. The selection of materials would be crucial in determining its appearance and functionality. A metallic structure could reflect sunlight back to Earth, creating a brilliant spectacle. Alternatively, a translucent material might allow starlight to pass through, casting a mesmerizing glow across the night sky. Whatever design we choose, it will undoubtedly capture the imagination of humanity, transforming our perception of our place in the universe and inspiring future generations to reach for the stars. The construction of an artificial moon would be more than a mere engineering feat. It would be a monumental achievement, showcasing the pinnacle of human ingenuity and collaboration. This celestial creation would stand as a beacon of our relentless pursuit of knowledge and our desire to push the boundaries of what is possible. Its potential uses extend far beyond simply being a second moon. It could serve as a hub for numerous scientific, commercial, and exploratory activities. We could utilize its unique position for advanced scientific research, observing the cosmos from a vantage point free from Earth's atmosphere. This would allow for unprecedented clarity and detail in our observations, leading to new discoveries and insights about the universe. Massive solar energy farms could be established, beaming clean, limitless power back to Earth. These farms could harness the sun's energy more efficiently than any Earth-based system, providing a sustainable and eco-friendly energy source for our planet. Shipyards in space could be constructed, building vessels for deep space travel and resource collection. These shipyards could revolutionize space travel, making it more accessible and cost-effective. The artificial moon could become our stepping stone to the stars, a launchpad for humanity's expansion into the solar system and beyond. It would be a gateway to new frontiers, enabling us to explore distant planets and perhaps even other star systems. This celestial creation would not only transform our understanding of the universe, but also redefine our place within it. Reshaping the night sky with an artificial moon would profoundly impact our world. How would our perception of the cosmos change with such a dramatic alteration? The effects on nocturnal animals, plant life, and even human sleep patterns could be significant. These impacts require thorough examination and understanding. Additionally, the governance of this artificial moon raises important questions. Would it be a shared resource for all humanity, or controlled by specific nations or corporations? To avoid conflict and ensure fairness, we must establish clear guidelines and promote international cooperation before proceeding with such a transformative project. Creating an artificial moon represents humanity's boundless ambition and our relentless pursuit of progress. It showcases our desire to conquer new frontiers and push the limits of what's possible. This endeavor highlights our innate drive to explore, innovate, and seek knowledge. It's not just about technological advancement, it's about the human spirit's quest for understanding and discovery. However, it also underscores our capacity for both great ingenuity and potential recklessness. The creation of an artificial moon is a double-edged sword, showcasing our brilliance while reminding us of the potential consequences of our actions. As we embark on this new era of space exploration, we must consider the responsibility that comes with such power. The ethical and moral implications of this monumental project cannot be ignored. Can we ensure that this celestial creation benefits all of humanity, rather than becoming a source of division and conflict? It is crucial that we approach this venture with unity and a shared purpose, recognizing the high stakes involved. The answers to these questions will shape the future of our species and the cosmos we inhabit. Our decisions today will echo through history, determining the legacy we leave for future generations. The artificial moon is more than a scientific achievement, it is a symbol of our collective aspirations and the challenges we must overcome together. The question remains, should we build an artificial moon? The answer is far from straightforward. On one hand, it could advance our scientific understanding and technological capabilities. Constructing an artificial moon would be a colossal endeavor, one that would push the boundaries of our creativity and wisdom. It presents a unique chance to address some of humanity's most urgent issues and to herald a new era of peace and prosperity. However, the risks and costs are significant. Will it be a monumental leap forward for humankind or a costly miscalculation? The cosmos, it seems, are waiting for our choice.